Hello, this is a review for the PUR Plus 3 times more contaminants and Brita water filter 11 cup pitcher filtration system. Say that 12 times fast. You see, here's the box with all the instructions, and here's the filter all set up. I will say, like, it is doing pretty nicely. You just open this little flap, pour water in there, and it just filters out. We've been using these filters for a while. This one seems pretty decent, although I do worry about how tight it is in there because I saw some water running down the sides. But if I'm not sure if it was coming out of that part of the filter or it was actually coming down from the top. This is our other one, so you see the size difference. This one is a bit larger than our other, so more water, which with as many people as we have in our house, so we drink a lot of water. So it's really nice, takes up some space, makes some water. My one qualm is this thing is supposed to turn on, and I have not gotten it to turn on. Yep. Nope. No light. So yeah, that's a disappointment. But we've never really used those gauges anyway. We just, oh, I think the thing needs to be changed, and we change it. When was the last time we changed it? We should probably change it. But yeah, we like it. And probably will be using it for a while to come. And awesome.
It filters pretty quickly. So you don't have to wait a long time to get that nice, clean, refreshing, great tasting water for you and your family. We take a look at the top here. This is the color code for the filter gauge to let you know when to change the filter. It's about a 2-month time frame. You want to press this button down at the same time that you are releasing it from the bottom, pressing that lever, and that way this top will pop out pretty quickly because you have to remove that before you wash it every time. You can't leave that in there. If we press this up here, then that's where we put the water in, but be careful. You don't want it to overflow. There's a hole back here and the water will come out if you put in too much water. Now, I actually don't use that gauge up there. I use the old school gauges that used to come in the 7-picture filters, probably about 10 years ago. It's a nice manual way to calculate when it's time to change the filter. But maybe one day I will use them both at the same time and see if the new method is just as effective as the old method. Overall, this is a great purchase. If you have a family and everybody wants water, as long as everyone's putting water in here, you should never run out. It's a great purchase. I recommend that you buy it. Do it.
a brand new PUR water filter. And picture, I want everyone to see right up here is where the water is. It's been in here for about 5 minutes already. And if you look down at the bottom is only there because I filtered a little bit more before and then I just got frustrated. But if you see closely, right around here, there's no water dripping. You see the tiniest little bit. How on earth is that supposed to filter for a family? 3 days? I don't think so.
Community